Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. This is R. Sriram with yet another update on weather. Hills brace for blizzard blast as fresh western disturbance approaches India. Winters of 2024 have been curiously quiet for Himalayas, with snowfall disappointingly sparse. Unlike the usual crescendo of snowstorms in December and January, this season saw mostly dry spells with only isolated flurries. But do not lose heart. February's second half promises a dramatic winter resurgence. A series of potent western disturbances, weather systems bringing rain and snow to the region, are set to unleash their flurry upon the hills starting February 17th. This relentless barrage, expected to last until February 22nd, promises widespread moderate to heavy snowfall across all Himalayan states. Prepare for picture-perfect snow blankets as the white stuff paints the landscape anew. But the impact won't be confined to the hills. The plains of North India, including Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, North Rajasthan and western Uttar Pradesh, can expect to witness scattered rainfall on February 20th and 21st. This wintry resurgence comes after a brief respite. The first week of February saw a strong western disturbance bringing moderate to heavy snowfall across the hills, only to be followed by another dry spell. But now, the weather gods are ready to turn up the dial, promising a true winter experience. So, dust off your snow gear, stock up on hot cocoa, and get ready to witness the majestic Himalayas reborn in a blanket of white. Just remember, with heavy snowfall comes the potential for travel disruptions and safety concerns. Stay informed about weather updates and take necessary precautions to enjoy the snowy spectacle responsibly. A cyclonic circulation is active over South Gujarat. A trough from East Central Arabian Sea off Karnataka coast to South Gujarat region across North Interior Karnataka and Madhya Maharashtra is running at lower levels. During the last 24 hours, light rain with one or two moderate spells occurred over southeast Madhya Pradesh and parts of Chhattisgarh. Isolated light to very light rain occurred over Tamil Nadu. During the next 24 hours, scattered light rain is possible over East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh and Odisha till February 13th, and over South Uttar Pradesh, South Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal between February 12 and 14. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.